I want to keep this video short and go straight to the point. In my previous episode, I replaced the engine because of the rod knock. I've got the engine from Pull Apart, and after installing it, the knock was gone, but the engine wasn't working right because there was a new problem. Let's figure it out and get it done in this video. First, let's check fault codes. It looks like there are some throttle body and pedal position faults, but nothing timing chain related, which is good, because it was backfiring and I was worried it's a bad engine again. Let's visually check everything, maybe it's something simple. And here we go, the connection is loose and damaged. And there's something I forgot to tell. There's a little story behind this. The throttle body that came with this engine had a damage near connector area, which later was forgotten, but most concerning, how was it even connected? So I'm going to swap it out with my old throttle body, do a proper relearn, and give it another shot. This is how it should look. I think I was too excited about this because I thought it was just an easy swap, but once I removed the old or damaged throttle body, new, old, they're both old, I found something much worse. Well, it's not as bad, but it's a damaged intake manifold. I guess with these junkyard engines, it's just part of the game. You never know what they went through. At this point, I just need to swap intakes. It sucks, but it's no big deal. In this case, it's a pretty big damage, so I was able to visually find it. But in some cases, it's harder to find or it's just a bad gasket, so I would recommend using a smoke machine to find leaks. This intake manifold is completely cracked. There's a big hole there. That's why I assume it didn't work right. So this piece was replaced. Let's try again. Hopefully this time it runs as it should. Finally, it works the way it should. No rattles on startup, no knocking, no faults. My advice, if you have these faults, check for leaks and check your connections. I'm happy it's finally running the way it should with no surprises. This means I can move on to the next step and start rectifying body and cosmetic problems. In the next episode, I will try to fix rocker panel with a dent repair tool. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.